Oh, jeez. Got my radios, got my FR1 LL Bean on, I think it's on alert mode, and then 300, 120, 262, 249, 250, which is having some reception issues. And then right here, my 259. Yeah, my 259. My 93, which I would be using, but it's broken. And an enhanced risk.
National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning. Huron County, eastern Seneca County in northwestern Ohio, Erie County, southeastern Champaign County in northwestern Ohio until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 5:26 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Green Springs, 10 miles northeast of Tiffin, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sandusky, Tiffin, Norwalk, Western Vermilion, Bellevue, Clyde, Green Springs, Northern Milan, Wakely, Bloomfield, Monroeville, Madison, through the Tennessee protection room to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Erie, Huron, Sandusky, and Seneca. This is NOAA Weather Radio KHB 59 originating from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Cleveland.
That's somehow the first alert I've gotten today. It's 5. Severe thunderstorm warning! Jesus Christ!
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Richland County, southeastern Huron County, southwestern Medina County in northeastern Ohio, Ashland County, northwestern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, southwestern Lorraine County until 6:15 p.m. Eastern.
This thing finally activated. Why is it not focusing?
5:47 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. A severe thunderstorm was located near Plymouth, or 15 miles south of Norwalk, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mansfield, Ashland, Shelby, Willard, Wellington, New London, Plymouth, West Salem, Savannah, Polk, Sullivan, Penfield, Greenwich, Spencer, North Fairfield, Bailey Lakes, Congress, Rochester, Ruthburg, and Nova. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Huron, Lorraine, Medina, Richland, and Wayne.
I heard I am bot again. Oh, doubleheader. Doubleheader.
Urgent weather message for the following counties in Ohio: Holmes, Medina, Stark, Sun, and Wayne. Severe thunderstorm watch number 26 remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and now includes the following counties in Ohio: Holmes, Medina, Stark, and Wayne. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 26 remains in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and now includes the following counties in Ohio: Holmes, Medina, Stark, Summit, and Wayne. The urgent weather message. For the following
Okay.
counties in Ohio:
Sure.
Ashland, Holmes, Medina, Stark, Summit, and Wayne. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County, Medina County in northeastern Ohio, Cuyahoga County in northeastern Ohio, northern Ashland County, Summit County in northeastern Ohio, northern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, Lorain County until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 6:05 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from northwest of western Vermilion to near Wellington to near Belleville, moving east at 60
Youngstown
miles
is
per hour.
posting Obama Prism.
60 miles per hour.
Youngstown, you're going on YouTube.
Source
Obama Prism.
indicated. Impact. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Cleveland, Akron, Lorain, Elyria, Medina, Worcester, Ashland, Western Vermilion, Monmouth, Lakewood, Cuyahoga Falls, Euclid, Cleveland Heights.
Oh great, my city's affected by this.
Brunswick, Westlake, North Royalton,
That's fun.
Ridgeville, and Kent. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
No, I don't think I will, thank you very much.
Rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Cuyahoga, Erie, Lorain, Medina, Summit, and Wayne. A special weather statement.
Alright then.
In Ohio.
Shut up. Shut up.
The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a special
It's
notice.
on the floor.
Near shore and open waters from Vermilion, Ohio to Geneva on the Lake, Ohio, until
Get out. Get out, por favor. Get out, por favor. I'm recording. Get out. Please.
Thunderstorms were located
Hey,
along a line
Nathan.
extending from 16
Nathan,
nautical
wait. Oh my God.
north of Lorain Harbor to near Avon Point to 18 nautical miles southwest of Cleveland, moving east at 45 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Willow Wick, Avon Point, Fairport Harbor, Cleveland, and Geneva on the Lake. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. A urgent weather message. For the following counties in Ohio: Ashland, Holmes, Medina, Stark, Summit, and Wayne.